What is up, everybody? This is Riding Insane. We are in the Hyperbolic time chamber. Episode number 1, new little mini series that I'm going to be creating. Basically, a short video updating you guys on what's happening right now. And plus, I get to never show you guys all 3 bikes together in one video because I can't ride them all at the same time. But in the Hyperbolic time chamber, I can actually show you guys each of the bikes all together. So this is going to be a short series where basically I give you guys updates on things that are happening right now. Usually when I go on a bike and ride, the ride is like 4 hours long. I have to edit it. By the time you guys actually see the video of me talking about updates, it's been like a month and a half because we have so many videos, so much content. So what we're going to be doing is just creating these little videos in the garage in the Hyperbolic time chamber, just giving you guys updates on where we're at, what we're doing, how are the bikes, any other cool updates. But yeah, so let's get started. So this is Broly, Ducati V4 2019. We got Nimbus 2016 BMW S1000 RR, and then we have Kakarot 2014 Yamaha R6. We got mods for each of them. This bike is supposed to be a totally different color. This bike is supposed to be modded out a little bit, but this bike right here is supposed to be modded out like crazy. So very quickly, again, this is going to be like a raw. I'm going to try to do as less edits as possible, but just kind of show you guys where we're at, what we're doing, and where we're headed. So moving on over here, as you guys see, I have this little cool little rack thingy. Trying to work in creating this hyperbolic time chamber into kind of like this half that you guys see right now is all bike related. The other side that's on this side, it's all gym related, since I'm still working out from home because, you know, the virus. Anyways, so still figuring out the boxes stuff. Got a little workstation right here. Glass, so I gotta be very careful because it's tempered glass. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I drop something on there, it can break. Anyways, that's not the topic. Oh yeah, SC Project Exhaust. Another thing I'm gonna need you guys' help on is, so this is the peg right here, the rear foot peg for the right side. My boot's on here. Sometimes I take my boot off and I just let it hang. It touches this, and as you guys can see, it is effed up like crazy. That's all rubber or whatever material my Alpine Star boot is. So if you guys know how to remove that, it's getting worse and worse. First it was very small, and now it's just, it's getting worse, where it's just so much of it. And every time I ride, it increases more and more. But we are getting that hue, that titanium color change thing going here. I'm just waiting for this link pipe to change. So in case any of you guys have an SC Project exhaust, let me know how long it takes, because I really want this to change color. Plus I gotta clean this off with something, and it's titanium. So I have to be really careful with it. So yeah, if you guys have any tips on that. Short attention span, back to this. So this up here is cleaning supplies. I actually hopped up and got some not shower towels, shop towels or shop rags, or whatever you want to call it. They're actually, for some reason, the entire box is in Spanish, which I don't know why. Got it from Amazon, so a little bit better than just using basic microfiber rags. First things first, I'm going to show you guys, these are all the mods for the R6. So for Kakarot right here, we got woodcraft stuff, more woodcraft stuff. Radiator guard we're going to be installing from Evotech. Shout out to Motivation USA, links in the description below. If you guys want to use the link to buy things, helps me out a little bit. So if you guys want to do that, or if anything, just give them a chance. Not Evotech, I'm talking about Motivation. Moving on, we have levers. So gold levers that we've been talking about for a very long time. ASV levers. Down right here, over here as well, the thing that says King right here, this is from GPR, a local company. So we're gonna be installing this on Kakarot as well. Again, this gold is gonna match the accent, not the wrap, but the accent. So that, and then this entire row is all Kakarot related. Up here, we have this awesome thing we're going to be installing very soon. Cool looking keychain. Clear clutch cover. So it's in there as a clear clutch cover. We're going to be installing that. This is going to be for Nimbus. So the person who gave this, that's how their bike looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this bike on Instagram a ton. It's a two-tone bike. Anyways, this dude creates clear clutch covers for Nimbus. So Nimbus is going to have this clutch cover removed, and a clear clutch cover is going to be put on there. I believe he's the only dude that makes it, so you're going to be able to see all the little clutch thingy, wet clutch stuff happening in there is gonna be awesome. Clutch covers are usually usually for Ducatis, they're known for it. So we're gonna be getting one for Broly as well. So you guys, I don't have it right now, but we are working with Duca Bike on the build series for Broly. So once we do get it, then we'll do a comparison of both of these and show you guys Duca bikes versus a local shop or a local person, dude, not company guy who makes it. But still, I think it's gonna be really awesome because I looked at this thing and it looked pretty cool. But yeah, metal or aluminum, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, so clear clutch cover is right there. And then we come over here. All these goodies right here, these three are gonna be for Broly. So I have a lot of companies, or I am in contact with companies for more parts for Broly. It's just, as you guys can see, we have a lot of stuff going on over here. Each part is gonna be an episode. So whether it's a big episode or a long episode, is gonna be an episode. So with Broly, I'm kind of holding back on the mods and just getting the essentials. So what we have right here is our first partnership with Duca Bike. So we're gonna have something for Broly over here. Frame sliders from CNC. They're not sponsored, but these were the coolest frame sliders I could find, and I've had these for a very, very long time. So I need to install these because I know that if I have frame sliders and I don't put them on the bike, I'm gonna drop the bike. And then back here is one of the most favorite things ever, is from Futurist Moto. So as you guys know, for Broly, I've been mentioning it in like a bajillion one of my videos every single time, is that these mirrors do not come in. You can't bring them in. You see how these, I can bring it in, close it, bring it, close it. Well, you can't do that with these. These are fixed. You can't do that. So it makes it really hard to lane split. Plus, I just don't like it. I'd rather have the bike not have mirrors. So Futurist Moto, we're gonna be deleting these mirrors. We'll have these cool little block off stuff over here. And the biggest thing, so we have all these bikes have a fender eliminator kit. See that? It looks nice and sexy. I kind of wish it was like that instead of this, but it's cool. Kakarot has one of the best ones because it's custom made by me. If you guys take a look in there, yeah, it's custom made by me and it goes perfectly to the side and I love it. Currently, Broly doesn't have that. Broly has this super big BBC right here. So I want to really get this removed because it's hella ugly. So we're gonna have this gone, this entire thing gone, and it will be a really nice, simple cut like that. So we are working with Futurist Moto. It's gonna be a sponsored video or a partnership video, whatever you want to call it. But again, we only work with companies that actually like their parts and I want them on the bike. And if I work with a company, or if I ask a company that I want their product or want to work with them and they say no, but that's still the product I want, I still buy it because I want that product and I want you guys to see a bike or see these bikes looking the way that I want them to look like. Not just whoever's giving us products will go over there. No, we're not gonna do that. The mirrors for Kakarot are gonna go away too, but as you can see, it kind of closes in the bunny ears. You pull her hair back. Well, you can't pull Broly's hair back because it just won't go. All the mods, that's right there. Again, Broly, Kakarot, and then Singular Nimbus. I'm kind of holding off stuff for Nimbus since I want to do a lot of stuff for Kakarot and I want to do some essentials for Broly. Once those are kind of done and we're kind of looking good and this rack is basically empty, then I'll reevaluate to see, we got to get these rims powder coated, we got to get the accents, frame sliders powder coated for Nimbus, we got to get better fairings. These fairings are crap. This thing is already broken. I don't want to really mess with it, but where is it? Yeah, right here. So this thing is basically broken on the inside. I'm not happy with these fairings at all, these aftermarket fairings. So I still have the OEM ones. I want to paint them, get them done, get the rims done, finish the look, and then we'll worry about other mods and things like that. And another big, very big mod for Broly is I have a wrap, a whole new wrap. Just how we wrap that in gold, I have a wrap for Broly that we're going to be doing very soon. I got to finish all the other mods like these, which are company related, because I want to get that out of the way and then focus on wrapping the bike, which is going to take me about like a month or so. I'm going to see if I can document the process. If not, you'll see it before and after, and we'll roll with that, just how we did with Kakarot. Oh yeah, by the way, I haven't ridden in 2 months now. It's just a lot of stuff going on in my personal life. Work, it's been hectic, and just so much stuff happening because of the virus, and still just, it's all kind of crazy. So I haven't got a chance to ride, and I've been editing a lot though. So the goal is to still push out as many videos as I can. 3 videos a week. I want to push on Saturdays the Raw series, and then on Sundays the Ride and Review anime series. we're still gonna try to do that. I'm just not there yet. I have a lot of anime that I need to review, and I don't want to do it on Nimbus. I want to do it on Kakarot. But on Kakarot, I want to do a few essential mods that are, just want to get them done, and then start taking Kakarot out for rides and pulls and do more raw series on Kakarot and write and review stuff. Because right now I have footage for Nimbus and I have footage for Broly, but I don't have anything for Kakarot, no backlog or anything. I got videos for days, for years with these two. So yeah, that's everything. By the way, new GoPro, stuff like that. I'll talk about it in another video. I want this to be short and sweet videos, but overall, that's kind of where we're at right now. Got Kakarot looking pretty, Nimbus and Broly. I'm gonna start these hoses up because I haven't started them in like a month, which is pretty sad because all I have to do is walk through the door and just, you know, turn them all on. But anyways, 3 bikes, all the mods, trying to get back into it, trying to find more time to do these build episodes, get these over with so we can move on to something new instead of having the same things over us all the time. This has been episode number 1 of the Hyperbolic Time Chamber series, a mini series where I give you guys updates on what's happening right now. So this is Riding in the Same Room. To subscribe only because I love you. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.